Is this the fucking obstacle? You're an asshole. Nah, that. That.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another off-roading video. So this is going to be part 2 of my recent trip to Big Bear. Now, I'm going to call this a mini trail review due to the fact that we didn't quite finish this trail. Now, the trail that we did was Gold Mountain, and if you don't know, this trail is raunchy. It's a Black Diamond Jeep trail, which means it's rock crawling, it's crazy stuff, but it's nothing that a couple of lifted tacos can't handle, right? Let's find out. Now, you're going to find the trailhead right off the 18 north of Big Bear Lake, and this is the second trail that we hit after Butler Peak. So I'm running this trail with Tyler and his taco and some friends who decided to join us. Now, going up the trail isn't too bad. There is a few tight turns and some rocky sections, but it's nothing too bad. You're definitely going to need four-wheel drive on the way up and some decent clearance for those rocky parts, but things will stay mostly consistent until the first obstacle. Now we get to the first obstacle of Gold Mountain. Now, as you heard in the intro, Tyler was a little surprised about the difficulty of this obstacle. It is pretty gnarly. It's a rock ledge with 4 possible lines. Due to me not having sliders, I decided to go with the easiest line with Tyler spotting me. I didn't have too much trouble with this line because we did stack some rocks. I slightly tapped my fender and my tailpipe on a rock, but that was no big deal. After I got up the obstacle, there were some Jeeps that were coming down the trail, so Tyler waited for them before we continued. After Tyler made it up the first obstacle is where things turned a little bit sideways for us. On our way to the second obstacle, I started overheating. So I parked under a tree, popped my hood to cool off while Tyler continued. Then when Tyler started climbing that obstacle, he lost oil pressure and his engine stalled. We kind of took this as a sign. Both of our trucks were acting up. It was the second trail that we did in the day. It was getting kind of late and we didn't want to risk a breakdown, so we decided to just cut our losses and head back down the trail. Now you know why I called it a mini trail review. We weren't quite able to finish the trail, and that's kind of disappointing, but no big deal because we're going to be back here again soon before it snows because I want to finish this trail. I want to conquer all the obstacles. I want to experience a rock garden, and I just want to finish it. So it's going to happen. Look forward to that. We'll be back here again soon, and we'll definitely make another trail review. In conclusion, despite not finishing this trail, I really enjoyed it. I am a big fan of rock crawling, even though my truck's not really built to do it, but I am working on that. So once I get my sliders, once I build my truck a little bit more, I'll definitely be reviewing more rock crawling trails. So look forward to that. So thanks for watching our trail review, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and check us out on Instagram. I'll link all of our accounts below. And if you have any feedback or recommendations on trail reviews, leave a comment and I'll check that out. Once again, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you again in the next off-roading video.